Hey, good evening. This is how the soup look like. Maybe I should add more spinach. Anyways, I'm gonna taste it. Here's me tasting the soup stir first. Maybe add a little bit soy sauce, even though I don't have to. Let's stir it some more. Go like this. Taste the soup, the broth. Actually good. And here's the wonton. Good. That's good. Homemade wonton soup. The simpler version, the spinach. Last time I had spinach and baby bok choy. This is baby spinach. It's delicious. Better than the store-bought, in my own opinion. Anyways, it tastes good. Everybody has a wonderful Thursday or Friday. Okay, bye for now.